Example 3, we're doing some order of operations practice. So let's start with A. 9 minus 8 times 4. We remember with PEMDAS, parentheses first, there's nothing happening inside the parentheses. E for exponents, no exponents here. M is multiplication and D is division, and those are equal. So the only multiplication we have here is 8 times 4. So we'll do 9 minus 32. And all that's left is 9 minus 32. You can do it in your head or by calculator, and you get 23, a negative 23. Let's look at B. 2 to the 4th power minus 1. So let's look at the operations we have. We have an exponent, and we have a subtraction. Looking at PEMDAS, we have an exponent and we have a subtraction. So the exponent will be first. 2 to the 4th power is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or you can use the calculator or Google. 2 to the 4th, sometimes you'll see an x to the y key, one of those in your calculator. So this is going to be 16. So we have 16 minus 1, which is 15. Number 3, or sorry, part C, 3 plus 2 to the 4th plus 4 times 5. Parentheses, there's nothing happening inside the parentheses, so we leave it alone. Exponent, 2 to the 4th. We know 2 to the 4th is 16. 3 plus 16 plus 4 times 5. Now we have addition, addition, and multiplication. We do the multiplication first. So 3 plus 16 plus, and 4 times 5 is 20. And now we just have addition. We do from left to right. 3 plus 16 is 19, and 19 plus 20 is 39. Finally, D, 2 plus 6 minus 3 to the 2nd. So start with parentheses. We do have an operation inside the parentheses, so we're going to do that 6 minus 3 first. So we get 2 plus 3 to the 2nd. Now exponent, we have 3 to the 2nd. 2 plus 3 to the 2nd is 9. And then add 2 plus 9, and we get 11. We're asked to find the remainder when dividing the whole numbers. So for the first one, 29 divided by 7. Let's look at what we get when we divide on a calculator. 29 divided by 7 is going to give us 4.14, etc. So we want to take the 7 and the 4. 7 times 4 is 28. That is our whole number part. And then we take the 29 minus that 28 to get the remainder, which is 1. So let's think through the steps. 1, divide on a calculator. 2, take the whole number part. 3, whole number times divisor. And then we'll subtract that from the original number. Let's find the remainder with 100 divided by 6. Let's divide it on the calculator. And we get 16.66, etc. So we want that whole number part. 16 times 6 on the calculator, 96. The remainder will be 100 minus 96, which is 4. Let's find the remainder. 34 divided by 12. Let's do that on the calculator. We get 2.83. Take the whole number part 2, multiply by the divisor 12, and get 24. And then take the original 34, subtract the 24, and we get 10 as our remainder. Example 7 has us multiply using the distributive rule. So in A, we have 5 times x plus 2. The distributive rule is saying 5 is being multiplied by the entire thing, so we need to multiply both parts. 5 times x plus 5 times 2, which is 5x plus 10. Let's try it with B. 6 times x minus 3. We multiply 6 times x and get 6x plus 6 times the minus 3. So 6x minus 18. Let's do the distributive rule for division. In A, we have 3x plus 6. That whole thing divided by 3. So we need to do 3x divided by 3 plus 6 divided by 3. 3x divided by 3, divide top and bottom by 3. And we're left with x over 1, which is x, plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. With B, 12x plus 9 over 3. We have 12x over 3 plus 9 over 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so 4x, plus 9 divided by 3 is 3, so 4x plus 3.